What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today we have a 2019 Kia Sportage in the shop. It came in here today for an Underglow kit. A possibly unsuspecting one, you'd say, right? This is the lighting Trendz Alumani, which is like, it's the aluminum frame, fully waterproof. Currently we're on blue, it's just RGB, not RGBW and not Flow Series. We're using an actual controller on this, also available in Bluetooth. Client did not want Bluetooth, so we got a controller. What's real cool about this one is it does fades between the colors, so when you change it, it doesn't just blink to red, it fades to red. That's cool. We still have basic features like 7-color jump, 7-color fades, the 3-color jump, 3-color fades. You have brightness control, and you do have, of course, the mixed white output that you see there. Everything is nice and tucked away, just the way that I like to do my installs, so you don't get to see any LED bars. All right, pricing and product information is going to be in the video description. That's pretty much all I got to say on this one. I'm really happy with it. Came out great. Client's happy. Happy December for you. That's another thing. This is still December with Client Appreciation Month in full effect, and he reserved his spot in here quite some time ago. So if you're interested in an install for yourself, by all means, shoot me an email, give me a call, and we'll work it out for you, but not in December. Thanks so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I'll talk to you later. See ya.